Why post-workout nutrition matters.
After exercise, your body needs the right nutrients to recover, repair muscles, and restore energy. Eating a balanced meal soon after your workout can help you feel better, reduce soreness, and support your fitness goals. The right combination of proteins, carbohydrates, and fluids is key to making the most of your effort.
Essentials of a good post-workout meal.
A simple post-workout meal should focus on 3 things: protein, carbohydrates, and hydration. Protein helps repair and build muscle. Carbs replenish energy stores, and fluids replace what was lost through sweat. Look for foods that are easy to prepare, digest, and fit your lifestyle.
Quick and tasty meal ideas.
Some classic options include a grilled chicken and rice bowl, a turkey and veggie sandwich, or Greek yogurt with fruit and granola. Eggs with whole grain toast, cottage cheese with pineapple, or a tuna wrap are also easy and effective. Choose whole, minimally processed foods for the best results.
Smoothies, fast recovery in a glass.
Smoothies are a convenient choice for post-workout recovery. Combine protein powder or Greek yogurt with fruits like berries or bananas. Add a handful of spinach and blend with your favorite milk or water. This quick drink provides both protein and carbs to help your body recharge.
Tips for success.
Aim to eat your post-workout meal within 30 to 60 minutes after exercising. Stay hydrated and listen to your body's hunger cues. Keep healthy ingredients on hand so you can prepare meals quickly. Remember, the best recovery foods are the ones you enjoy and can consistently fit into your routine.